Thanks for the invite.
Sorry I missed you.
I'll be at the next one on time. I just met up with some pretty nice guys. First time riding with them. Well, I missed the ride, but I made the lunch, so that's the only thing that counts, right? I gotta get some gas. I got like I can go 7 more miles before I'm E. Okay. Man, I like his bike. Your boy riding on fumes, man. I got like 8 more miles to go before I'm on E, so I gotta stop. From what I've been told, I don't have a fuel gauge. Yeah, that was my first time partially riding with those guys. What happened was I went to Cars and Coffee this morning, so I was late for the initial ride. So I missed out on all the twisty road action, but I had lunch with them, and I got to ride back with those two guys for a little bit, so that was pretty cool. But I will definitely be on time for the next one. Oh yeah, what I was saying earlier was the Ducati Monster 821 doesn't have a fuel gauge. I know, right? No gear selector, nor fuel gauge, but it's a Ducati, right? So I kind of track my mileage, but it's not as, what's the word? It's not as aggravating as you think it would be, because basically I can get about 160 miles out of a tank, but when I hit reserve, the light comes on and the tripometer starts recounting. So what I've been told that I can go 25 miles when it starts counting down, and I'll be on E, and I don't want to find out. I don't want to find out the hard way, but I was at like 17 before I had to stop back there, so it was time. And as you saw, we were going like 80, 88, 90 miles an hour coming back. So I was like, yeah, at some point. But love this bike, love it. I knew exactly what I wanted, so I knew all the quirks of it, and I went ahead and got it. So that's all that matters. Man, I gotta calm down. That was way too much fun coming back. Like, riding motorcycles is fun, right? But when you ride with other people, like, it's a whole nother feeling. It's fun, man. Oh shit, left turn. Turn kind of snuck up on me. Man, do y'all hear this bike, man? Like all the pops and burbles on deceleration. It's amazing. Yeah, but back to what I was saying earlier is like, this is my only bike, so since the weather is starting to get back nice, springtime, summertime, I'm gonna be commuting on it to work. A lot to save money on gas because I drive a F-150. So I guess a point I'm trying to say is, like, you can commute and whatnot, and you know that's boring. So I feel like it's necessary to go out on group rides when you can, if you want to, because it's like, it's just a different experience to go riding with other guys. Takes the mundane out of riding, I guess I should say. It's like I'm too excited right now. Just way too excited. Yeah, this is the 2016 F-150 2.7 liter EcoBoost. Yeah, for me, the way the truck is spec'd is perfect. I think maximum tow is 7,900 pounds with the 2.7 EcoBoost with the 331 rear end, rear wheel drive, not a four-wheel drive, obviously. Yeah, I mean, it is my daily until I come across a four-cylinder or something else, but I don't know. It's nice. I mean, like, when I gotta drive home and, you know, go on road trips, it's perfect. Like, all the space you need. It's like with a full-size truck, you get the best of both worlds. You get a full-size car on the inside, and you get the bed for utility. Like, I can put the seats up in the back, and I can't stretch out, but I can lay out, and I'm pretty comfortable. So, I mean, to each his own. Well, the only downside is with when you get the Super Crew, you get the short box. And I wanted the short box. I didn't want the long box because I didn't want a wheelbase on a truck that long. But my first bike went on the back of this truck, and I had to drive back with the tailgate open. Didn't really like that, but I can buy the tailgate extender if I do something like that again. But when I bought the Ducati, I rented a trailer, so didn't have to deal with it. And I think that's what I'll do going forward. I'll just rent trailers. I won't even load up bikes on the back of the trucks anymore if I don't have to. So, but yeah, I mean, that's pretty much everything I can say right now about it. Yeah, but got them both together for a little bit, because my friend helped me out this morning. He actually drove my truck back over here and dropped it off for me while I went ahead and took my bike to go on to what I needed to do earlier. So yeah.